Hi, good morning to all. See here today inverse trigonometric functions. Next problem. Okay, see here in this next question. So here 48 by 10. Okay, 48 by 10. Page number 48 by 10th question. See here in this problem tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3a x square in the simplest form. See here in the simplest form. Okay, right? See here in this data tan inverse of given here. Okay, 3a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3a x square. So here in this problem here put x is equal to a tan theta. Here tan inverse given, put x is equal to a tan theta. Okay, right here x is equal to a tan theta. Formula coming. Okay, tan 3a coming. See here tan of 3a is equal to formula. Here tan 3a is equal to tan of 3a. Here tan of 3a is equal to tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by here 3 tan a minus tan cube a 3 tan a minus here tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a 1 minus 3 tan square a 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay, this is the formula. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a, tan of 3a formula. See here in this question here. See here in this question, right? See here, write the simplest form. Okay, write in simplest form. So here in this problem, put x is equal to. See here, in this solution here, see here, put x is equal to. Here, put x is equal to. See here, put x is equal to a tan theta. So a tan theta. Put x is equal to here a square. Okay, x cube given. Here a cube given. So put x is equal to a tan theta. Put x is equal to a into. Here tan of theta, put x is equal to a tan theta. So that implies, see here a cross multiply, that is x by a. Here x by a is equal to here tan of theta, x by a is equal to tan theta. So here theta value, so that implies theta is equal to, here theta is equal to, here tan taking this side here, theta is equal to, here tan inverse of x by a, tan inverse of x by, this is the theta value. Okay, here theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Right, take this given data, see here in this value. So here now tan inverse of 3a square x. Okay, 3 here a square x, 3a square x minus x cube, 3a square minus x cube whole by a cube minus 3a x square. Okay, 3a x square. So that is equal to, replace this value here, x is equal to a tan theta. See here x is equal to a tan theta, replace here. So that is equal to here tan inverse of see here, replace x by a tan theta. So that is equal to here 3a square x is equal to a tan theta, a into a square, a square is a cube, a into a square is a cube. Okay, a cube tan theta. Next minus x cube. Here x value a tan theta. X cube value a cube tan cube theta. So x value is a cube. Here tan cube theta. Whole by a cube. So that is a cube. Here a cube minus here 3a x square. X value a tan theta. X square value a square tan square theta. Replace it, a square into a cube. So that is equal to 3a cube. Okay, 3a cube here tan square theta. 3a cube tan square theta. Alright, see here one more time. See here, replace it, x is equal to here a tan theta. Replace x by a tan theta, a into a square, a cube tan theta. Okay, a cube tan theta minus x cube value, x cube is equal to a cube tan cube theta, by next a cube minus 3a x square value a square tan square theta, a square into a cube tan square theta. Okay, so here a cube common, denominator also a cube common. See that is equal to here tan inverse of see here a cube is common. Okay, a cube is common. Next 3 tan theta. So that is 3 tan theta. Next minus here a cube is common. Next value here tan cube theta whole by denominator also a cube common. Okay, a cube is common. Next 1 minus here 3 into here tan square theta. Okay. So here a cube get cancelled. See here in this data, here a cube get cancelled. Okay, here a cube cancel. Here a cube is get cancelled. Next that is equal to here next remaining value. See here in this remaining value. So that is equal to here tan inverse of see here in this formula tan 3a 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a is tan 3a. See here 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Here this formula. Okay, this formula, apply this formula here, tan of 3a. So this value here tan of 3 theta. Okay, tan of 3 theta. See here tan inverse of tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is theta. So that is equal to 3 theta. Okay, so that is equal to here 3 into here theta. Here theta value. See here in this theta value. So here in this theta value. See here in this theta value. Here theta value is here. This is the theta value. Okay, theta value is tan inverse of x cube by a. So replace theta value. Here tan inverse of here in this theta value is here in this theta value is see here tan inverse of x by a. So that is tan inverse of x by a. This is the final answer. Okay, okay. Write this question. One time practice this question. Right. See here in this next problem. In this next question. See here in this next problem. Here page number 48 by 11. Okay, page number 48 by 11. See here in this problem, find the value of. Okay, find the value. See here, find the value of. This value. So here in this problem, see here in this question here, find the value of. Okay, this total value. Right. See here, take this one here. So here in the solution here. In the solution is here tan inverse of. Okay, tan inverse of. See here tan inverse of 2 into here cos of. Okay, cos of 2 into sin inverse of. Okay, 2 into here sin inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, 2 into sin inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to. Alright, see here that is equal to here tan inverse of. Here tan inverse of. So that is 2 into here cos of. Okay, cos of. See here in this value 2 into here sin inverse of. Okay, sin inverse of here 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 in terms of sin. Sin of 30 value. So that is equal to here sin of pi by 6. Sin of pi by 6. Okay, see here replace 1 by 2 by sin of pi by 6. Okay, in terms of sin. See here sin inverse of sin theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. Right here. Next, so that is equal to here tan inverse of 2 into here cos of. Okay, cos of 2 into sin inverse of sin theta is theta. Theta value here pi by 6. Okay, theta value is pi by 6. See here 2 into cos of 2 into sin inverse of sin theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is theta. That is pi by 6. See here 2 get cancelled. Okay, 3 times. Okay, 3 times. So that is equal to here tan inverse of here 2 into here cos of 2 3 times here. Okay, 3 times get cancelled. So that is equal to pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3. See here that is equal to here tan inverse of here 2 into here cos of pi by 3. Cos of pi by 3 means cos 60. Cos 60 value 1 by 2 here. See here that is into here 1 by 2 cos 60 value. So here 2 get cancelled. Next remaining value that is equal to here tan inverse of 1. Okay, so that is equal to here tan inverse of here 1 is equal to in terms of 10. So that is equal to here tan of pi by 4. So tan inverse of tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is equal to here theta. That is equal to here pi by 4 answer. Okay, this total value pi by 4. Okay, write this question. One time practice. Right, next problem. See here in this next question. Right, See here in this value, simple problem. This question 1 mark question, repeated question. This question, okay, 1 mark. In case of see here, domain principal value missing that question, this question given. Check one time previous question papers. Okay, 1 mark question, easy question. Okay, only just one step. Apply formula, direct formula. See here. So here 48 by 12th question. Okay, see here, find the value of this value. Okay, that value. See here. So here in this problem, see here first here in this solution see here cot of. So here in this value here cot of, okay, cot of tan inverse of A, okay, tan inverse of A plus here cot inverse of A, okay, is equal to, right, see here in this value is equal to here cot of, okay, cot of this value tan inverse A plus cot inverse A, that is equal to here pi by 2, right. See here in this formula, tan inverse of x plus cot inverse x is equal to here pi by 2, okay, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Apply this formula. See here, apply this formula here, right. See here in this formula here cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A, here A, x value A here, okay, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, okay, here x value A, okay, right. So that is pi by 2 answer here. See here tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. See here tan inverse A plus cot inverse A, okay, this total value is pi by 2, this formula, right. See here cot of pi by 2 value, so here cot of pi by 2 is equal to, so here cot of pi by 2 value is 0, okay, cot of pi by 2 value is 0, so answer is 0, okay. This is 1 mark question. This question also repeated question, okay. Domain, okay, principal value given. In case of that question missing, next will be given this question, okay. Write this question, one time practice. Right. See here in this next problem, in this next question, see here page number 48 by 13, okay, page number 48 by 13 question, okay. This question given in objective problems given, all objective problem, this question repeated question, okay. Right. See here in this problem tan of 1 by 2 into this value, okay. See here in this problem formula, see here in this formula, so here in this formula, see here sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, sin 2a formula. See here in this formula, writing here, okay, sin 2a formula, writing here sin of 2a. See here sin 2 tan inverse a, okay, 2 tan inverse a is equal to 2 tan inverse x is equal to, see here sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x in terms of sin, so that is equal to here sin inverse of, okay, sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus here x square, okay, 2 tan inverse x. Right, next is here, this is also same formula, okay, 2 tan inverse, here 2 tan inverse x is equal to, see here in terms of cos, so that is cos inverse of 1 minus x square, cos inverse of 1 minus x square by, okay, 1 minus x square by 1 plus here x square, okay, 1 plus x square, two formulas. So apply these two formulas here, okay, this question, simple question, this question. See here, so in this question, right, see here, take this one here, so here in this solution here, see here in this solution, in this given data, here tan of 1 by 2, into, okay, sin inverse of, so here sin inverse of 2x by, here 1 plus x square, okay, 1 plus x square, plus next remaining value, so that is cos inverse of 1 minus y, cos inverse of 1 minus y square, by here 1 plus here y square, 1 plus y square, okay, right? See here in this problem, so that is equal to, so that is tan of here 1 by 2, into sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, this value, see here sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, this total value is 2 tan inverse x. See here, apply this formula, that is 2 into here tan inverse of x plus next see here cos inverse of 1 minus y square by 1 plus x square. See here cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is 2 tan inverse x. So here y given here, y given, okay, right here this formula is 2 into here tan inverse of 2 into tan inverse of y, okay, 2 into tan inverse of y. See here apply this formula here x given, write x, here y given, write y, okay. See here 1 by 2 multiply here, so that is equal to, okay, 1 by 2 multiply, so that is equal to here tan of, okay, tan of, see here 1 by 2 multiply, 2 to get cancelled, next remaining value tan inverse x, okay. Next here multiply 1 by 2 into 2 to get cancelled, next remaining value tan inverse of y, okay, tan inverse of y. So next apply formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. See here in this formula, here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, here tan inverse of x plus here tan inverse of y, here tan inverse of y is equal to here tan inverse of here x plus y by 1 minus here xy, okay, 1 minus xy. Apply that formula. See here that is equal to here tan of in this formula tan inverse of, okay, tan inverse of, so here in this value x plus y by here x plus y by 1 minus xy, okay, 1 minus xy. See here in this formula tan inverse x, okay, tan inverse x is equal to x formula. See here tan of tan inverse x, here tan of tan inverse x is equal to here x, tan of tan inverse x is x. See here tan of tan inverse x value is x, so that is equal to here x plus y by 1 minus x into here y. This is the final answer, okay. This question objective problem important, this question, okay. Theory also important, theory not given, one time also objective given this question. Right side note this formulas, okay. Next write this question, one time practice, okay. Right, see here in this next problem, see here in this next question here, this question very important question. This question theory repeated question, objective bits also repeated question, this question, okay. Theory and objective both are important, this question so many times given, this objective and theory. Right, see here in this problem page number 48 by 14, okay, 48 by 14. See here in this data, if sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, so then find the value of x, okay, find the value of x, okay, find the value of x value, okay, x value, we calculate x value. Right, see here in this problem, see here in this question, right, see here in this solution here, in this solution, so in this given function, so here sin of, so in this given function sin inverse of here sin inverse of 1 by 5, sin inverse of 1 by 5 plus here cos inverse x, okay, cos inverse x is equal to 1, okay. This is the given data. So here find the value of x, we calculate x value. Right, see here sin, take in this idea, so in this value remaining value here sin inverse of, okay, sin inverse of 1 by 5, next one plus cos inverse of x, here cos inverse of x is equal to, see here sin, so that is in this value sin inverse of 1, okay, sin inverse of 1, okay. See here sin, taking this side sin inverse of 1, sin inverse of 1 value, see in the sin inverse of 1 value, so here sin inverse of 1, okay, sin inverse of 1 is equal to here sin inverse of 1 value sin of 90, so sin of pi by 2, sin inverse of sin theta is equal to here theta, okay, sin inverse 1 value pi by 2, so here write here this value, okay, sin inverse 1 value. See here, so here sin inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to, here in this value is pi by 2, okay, pi by 2. See here cos inverse x taking in this side here, see here, so that is equal here in this value here sin inverse of 1 by 5 is equal to here pi by 2 minus cos inverse of x. So here taking in this side here, pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Okay, right, this is the formula. See here in this formula, sin inverse x, sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x, cos inverse of x is equal to, here this value is pi by 2. Okay, pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So here cos taking this idea, so here sin inverse of x is equal to, here pi by 2 taking this idea minus cos inverse of x. Okay, pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, this total value is sin inverse x. Okay, see here pi by 2 minus cos inverse x is sin inverse x. Replace here, so replace here, right, replace here. So that is sin inverse of 1 by 5 is equal to, see here pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, pi by 2 minus cos inverse x value sin inverse x. So that is sin inverse of x. Alright, see here remove sin inverse on both sides. So therefore x is equal to, here x value, x is equal to 1 by 5. X is equal to 1 by 5. This is the final answer. Okay, x value is 1 by 5. This question so many times repeated question, this question. Okay, today practice this question 3-4 times. Okay, right side note these two formulas here. Okay, write this question, one time practice. Alright, today class finish. You also one time practice this all problems today. Each question minimum 3-4 times. Okay, each question. Any doubt coming, send WhatsApp that question. Okay, I send YouTube video, this video. Okay, one more time in leisure time, see that video one more time. Any doubt coming, okay, see one more time that video. Right, today class finish. Daily practice formulas 5 minutes. Okay, right.